Combining Bollinger Bands and RSI is a way to read volatility and momentum together, rather than relying on either indicator in isolation. Bollinger Bands help show whether price is stretched, compressed, or moving around its recent average. RSI adds the momentum layer, showing whether buying or selling pressure is strengthening, fading, or reaching an extreme. Used together, they can give a more balanced view of price behavior. The first part of the combination is the Bollinger Bands reading. When price moves toward the upper band, it may be extended relative to its recent average. When it moves toward the lower band, it may be extended in the opposite direction. When the bands narrow, volatility is contracting. When they widen, volatility is expanding. This matters because the same RSI reading can carry a different meaning depending on whether the market is compressing, trending, or already stretched. RSI then adds the momentum context. A reading above 70 is often described as overbought, while a reading below 30 is often described as oversold. But those levels should not be treated as automatic reversal signals. If price is riding the upper Bollinger Band and RSI remains strong, the market may still be trending rather than immediately ready to turn. If price is pressing against the lower band and RSI remains weak, selling pressure may still be in control. This is where the combination becomes useful. If price reaches the lower band while RSI is also near oversold, traders may watch for signs that downside momentum is starting to slow. If price reaches the upper band while RSI is near overbought, traders may watch for signs that upside momentum is starting to fade. The setup becomes more meaningful when price action confirms the shift rather than relying only on the indicator readings. The Bollinger Squeeze is another important use case. When the bands tighten, it shows that volatility has contracted. RSI can then help judge whether momentum is beginning to build before price breaks out of that compression. If RSI starts pushing above its midpoint while the bands begin to expand, that can suggest bullish momentum is developing. If RSI breaks below its midpoint as the bands widen, it can suggest bearish momentum is taking control. The main limitation is that both indicators can mislead when they are used without context. Band touches do not guarantee reversals, and RSI extremes can remain in place during strong trends. In sideways markets, the combination may help identify overextended moves. In trending markets, it may be more useful for confirming strength or timing pullbacks, rather than trying to fight the trend. In short, Bollinger Bands and RSI work well together when one is used to read volatility and relative price position, while the other is used to confirm momentum. The combination can help identify stretched conditions, volatility expansion, and possible momentum shifts, but it should still be read alongside trend direction, support and resistance, and broader price structure.